Big Lake Pond is getting a much-needed refresh. Crews are removing years of built-up sediment and debris to restore water quality and reduce flooding risk.
We are restoring the pond and removing a lot of sediment that has collected over the years to restore the depths of the pond and allow better water retention and better wildlife habitat.
The process uses hydraulic dredging, which suctions sediment from the bottom of the pond and sends it through a pipeline to dry. It's stored in a fenced area on Christie Elementary property before being hauled away.
Think of it as a giant hoover. So it does function like a giant vacuum cleaner to that extent. It's getting down into the sediment, drawing it up, and shipping it out to the laydown yard.
Over time, too much silt reduces the pond's capacity to hold water. Restoring the depth gives the pond more storage and helps protect nearby homes, schools, and roads.
We are doing this to ensure that we have adequate resources here to prevent flooding.
Deeper water also helps fish survive year-round and keeps the ecosystem balanced. The park stays open during the work, with only small areas fenced for safety. Work is expected to wrap up in February 2026. It's all part of keeping Plano's lakes, parks, and wildlife healthy for years to come.